Hello everyone. I am Dr. Swapnali Gore from the Wildlife Institute of India. I am a marine researcher by profession and I have been working in the Indian waters since more than a decade now on diverse topics such as the intertidal ecology, littoral ecosystems, or marine megafauna. In 2016, I joined the Camper Dugang project of WII, and since then, I'm based in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands of India, studying dugongs, which is the only herbivorous marine mammal species, and their foraging grounds, that is seagrass ecosystems, which was also a part of my PhD work. So ours is not a pure research project. It is more of bringing all the communities and stakeholders together in a multi-stakeholder approach, bridge the gap between them, and sensitize them towards this common shared cause of dugong conservation. And last 10 years have not been easy because when we work with the communities, the most important aspect is building that trust with them, and they need to accept us to be able to listen to us. So we have had many failures and setbacks in the last 10 years. And there were times when we were very lost. We wanted to give up. We were asking these questions of whether we are going in the right direction or not. But eventually, we have seen the attitude of people changing, and it is reflected also in the support which they have given, based on the citizen science network which we have created with the communities, we have been in a position to give critical management input for dugong conservation in the islands. So I see that as one of our biggest achievements to bring that attitudinal change in the local communities as well as stakeholders, the patrolling agencies such as Forest Department and Marine Police, or also for the first time including the defense agencies on this massive scale of engagement, that is Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard. And which is why this award feels very personal to me, because it clearly reminded me of our entire journey, this entire roller coaster of our work in the last 10 years, where we wanted to give up, we were struggling, but we decided not to, and we continued with the cause. On a very similar note, my message to all the young researchers and practitioners will be, never let the curiosity inside you die, because ultimately that is the pillar for keeping your work ahead, and that is what is going to give you results in the end. Whether you get recognition for that or not at that point does not matter. That should not stop you from putting efforts, in honest, consistent efforts, especially if it is a conservation project. I once again thank the jury and the committee for considering me for this very valuable and prestigious award. And I wish to continue my work, the ongoing project, with the award money. With that, I wish all of you all the best and thank you so much.